Have you ever thought about all the paperwork that comes with doctors and nurses treating your healthcare needs? Patients fill out some of these forms when they go to a new doctor's office, while healthcare professionals create others. It's a lot to keep track of, which is why major hospitals and private practices often count on clinical documentation specialists to keep things running smoothly. A clinical documentation specialist, or CDS for short, organizes the information for each patient seen by a healthcare establishment. In this role, you are responsible for complying with HIPAA requirements and other confidentiality regulations while making sure the healthcare providers involved in a person's treatment are on the same page. According to the American Nurses Association's journal, an average day in a life of a CDS may look something like this: evaluating a certain number of patient records, going through records for specificity and proper documentation, and inputting document queries into a system for physicians, doctors, specialists, and other personnel. An average day would also include following up on previously unanswered queries or delayed answers, making sure the hospital or physician's office gets proper Medicare reimbursement, and contacting a patient's insurance company if necessary. The role a CDS plays in a patient's life can be critical. At the end of the day, this is why many people in the healthcare field choose this path. By checking certain codes for accuracy and inquiring about conflicting data, a CDS can help patients get the proper diagnosis needed. That's where you could come in. As a CDS, you can fill in the gaps so that everyone has the information they need to do the best work they can. Now that you know what a clinical documentation specialist is and what they do, you can put your mind to it, get to work, and gain the necessary qualifications to become one. But how do you become a CDS? The first step toward many healthcare careers is a degree. You typically need a basic understanding of biology, the healthcare field, medical terminology, and the billing and coding process. Also, while not always required, you can become a more competitive candidate for this role if you gain some direct work experience through a practicum and earn your certification. To learn more about how Ultimate Medical Academy can help you achieve this goal via our Health Information Technology program, contact us today.